After the severe flood disaster to hit Edo State in August 2019, a few Edos in the UK diaspora, led by Loretta Ogboruoko and Mrs. Esosa Edogiawere, decided to do something in order to help the victims affected by this disaster. They set up a GoFundMe account and made an appeal for donations.
However, more at stake is our people, and let's do something now.
A kind gesture can reach a wound only compassion can heal. This is the kind of wound that we believe compassion can heal, and we are counting on you to donate to us today. Edo Flood Appeal. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, good evening. It is Terminal 5 and the date is the 24th of October. I'm going to Nigeria, specifically Benin City, and I'm not in a very, very happy mood today because it's to see the flood relief victims, the worst hit areas. Thanks to all of you who have donated. For the flood victims that we got from GoFundMe. Thanks to all who have donated. Thank you to those who are yet to donate. Because of you, we are able to do this. Thank you.
It was agreed in London that Loretta will go to the 3 areas affected severely by the flood in Benin and give 20,000 naira each to 30 families for assistance and also to enable her assess the damage firsthand.
And today we are just here now. You can see these selfless people. They are not being paid anything. They've come this morning to give their time and energy. Esosa, say hello.
Hello.
Divine, Kevin, Mr. Mokaro, and Chikasom. They've come to give their time and their energy. You can see we are here putting the money in each envelope. Now, so far we've realized from the UK and Nigeria, we realized the sum of about 600,000, and this is for short run. The long term, we're also looking at things that we will do to mitigate this flood problem. But on the short run, we decided that those affected houses and people, we should go and see them this morning and just give them that succor on a Sunday morning. They are not expecting us. They don't even know we are coming.
In Benin, Loretta put together a crew to take her to the affected area. The crew introduced themselves, counted the money, placed them in envelopes, including phone numbers, and set out with Loretta to see the affected victims. Remember, none of the affected victims knew of the donations or of Loretta's visit. They arrived at the first area affected, Sado Drive off Adesua Road in Benin City.
What you are seeing is just a little thing. Once you come, the water will get to this. The level. It covers some houses. It will cover the house.
You are saying. Cover even your car that is here.
What
now.
Are you talking? So that is the problem. Okay, so it's the problem we are facing. If you look at, if you go through this as we had the money. Let me use past tense because the houses are no longer there.
Yes, sir.
We had about 30-something houses, just this street alone. But today, the people living in this street now no more than 5.
The next stop was Igbesanwa, Oza Lane. The man of the house spoke to Loretta, showed us his damaged room and a picture on his phone of his property in the flood as it happened. He was given an envelope and thanked the donors.
So how do you feel now that this is happening to you? Show up.
I feel bad now.
This place you are looking at now is this same room on this phone a few days ago. Can you see it? Everything is swimming in flood, and I can see why. We can still smell the murkiness of the area. So as a human being, how do you feel that this has happened to you, Samir?
I feel bad now, so
very bad.
I just need the connection.
Here now we have the sum of Thank you. 20,000 naira we're giving to each household. We're giving you this sum.
Okay, thank you very much.
And just tell the world what you think, because there's going to be a long-term effect. But at least looking at all your property, you can at least buy a mattress with this because your room is now empty. But the problem is that if rain fall again now, tomorrow the mattress will still soak. So where you come they sleep now, Oga?
But for now, I just packed to somewhere now. I'm living one room for now.
One room.
Yeah.
You and your
So
children
me
and
and my
your wife.
family, yes.
Devastating, so sad. So just say something, anything
So,
you want
well,
to say.
I thank the state government.
United States government.
Okay.
Emmanuel UK.
Okay, we are the UK.
Yeah. Edo diaspora in the UK.
Okay.
Edo
Okay,
connect.
well, I thank them. I thank God for everything. So God will bless them. So,
And bless those who have donated
bless.
crowdfunding as well.
okay.
Because it's not one person's money. A lot of people have said, oh, when they saw the video, this cannot happen. They chipped in £10, £5, £50, £200, different people.
God bless them.
God will bless them. God will bless them. And really, this is really devastating. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay.
The next house was also badly affected. The gentleman showed Loretta his bedroom, front room, and living room. All his property was still wet from the flood. The worst thing is this family is still sleeping on a wet mattress from the flood. The scale of the damage started to affect Loretta at this point. She became emotional.
Yes, I will give you this. Tell them how you felt when you saw the water and what you feel now, what you think you should do.
Well, I felt so bad when the water,
All these things are still wet.
yes, they are wet.
They are wet.
So I was so surprised when they called me, my landlord, Mr. Tostier. His wife called me and said, I should run home. There's water in my room. And I was so surprised, even outside, the water was here. Before I came
Show
in.
these clothes, they are all still wet.
So
How
I was
people
so
sleep
surprised.
on this
So,
bed? It's all still wet.
well, we normally, it's just water I've not, since I came here a year ago, let's say a year and 3 months now, I've not felt water like that. But I was so surprised that day. When water came, God, thank God, it's even more better than like fire.
Yeah.
Which is fire. Well, thank God. But for this one, this people have done to me now, give to me.
Yes, sir.
I'm happy. I really appreciate it. Me and my family, they are okay.
Yeah, we'll share what you have said now to them so that they will know that their money has been
They appreciate. They appreciate. I appreciate whatever this money came
No
from.
matter how small, yeah.
No matter how small, even if this is 10 naira, I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
No, you are welcome.
Domo.
The next house, and an old lady and her daughter kindly showed Loretta the damage. When Loretta gave her the envelope, the lady started crying and could not speak anything to the camera. To her, this kind of unexpected generosity and care was shocking.
Oh my God.
Oh my bed. Yeah. Darling.
Jesus H. Christ.
No get money to do for the house.
Have you captured the roof? Have you shown her room? Madam, how much did you manage? Where your husband? It's okay if he's sleeping. He will join us. He's even lying on the floor. There is no mattress there. This is terrible. So, madam, some of us, we used to stay where lights here.
No, there's lights here.
Okay. Some of us for Obodo Igbo, Edo Connect, myself, Loretta Oduwari Oboroko, and Mrs. Esosa Adebiawere. we decided that this water way they enter places, people go they call, help me. Now we come say, when we tell the word, may they help us. So some people come put money together, join money together. And that money today now they share to people like you where they are affected, small, we they share to them.
This one what they share, sir. No push my hand.
Not those people where you share because not in your hand. This one don't for your hand today, madam. So this today now, you get this envelope for you. It's from Edo Flood Relief, donation from the Edo Diaspora UK, Edo Connect. So madam, one may you look this television now. May you tell these people where you donate this money to them because many people for the world now you donate all this money. May you tell them how you feel receiving this money, even though it's small. Because please, can the world just see what's going on here? I am so distressed this morning. But just tell them what is talking of 20,000, what you think it can do for tell the world. Now the world people, now you donate this money. Not be me. Different people from different places. Now them donate this money. Tell them how you feel today now, receiving this money.
What do you want to tell them?
What you want to tell them? You look so astonished. You look so surprised.
We do this so far. Every year they leak.
Every year they leak.
What for top of our head? I just so far. We just did so far for inside this room. Any tower for must in tower because more cry. Now go on line.
Thank you.
After this, we went to the next area, Upper Sakbomba. The crew had to navigate their way on foot as the car could not get into the area, but there were people living there. Loretta was determined to get into the area and she climbed over the sides of the road to get to the victims. In the first house, Loretta met a young girl who did not let her or the crew in because her parents were not at home. The young lady narrated her experience and said her parents had to buy her new clothes which she was wearing and showed Loretta what they were building to prevent further flood damage from coming into the house. Our crew talked to her parents over the phone and left them a token because they could not wait due to the time and other places to visit.
So can you call your parent because you are under 16? So call a parent, a mother at home, a father at home. You're the only one at home. That's interesting. Where did every other person go to?
Thank you very much, ma.
The next house was different. The man we saw at home was not only flooded, he was robbed.
The flood entered my house and reached here, inside. All my property were destroyed. I have no property again. Then, in spite of that, thief came and removed the remaining things inside. When you enter the house now, I'm the only person living.
Where are your people? Where are your tenants? Nobody at
Nobody.
the house.
Nobody, only myself. The other, where I have an apartment, my people are living there. Only myself living here.
Your children don't want to stay in this place?
They don't want to stay. They want to stay here. I'm the only person living here. Now, see that is what happened. Now on the 31st, let me quote all the days the flood has overtaken this place. On the 31st May 2017, flood overtook this place and broke the fence.
What of the latest one?
Then I break it. Then on the 29th August 2018, when I reset it again, he break it again with concrete. And break it again. Then I started work again by January. That is why it is like this.
Say thank you to the people that have made this possible.
Listen.
They are all across the world.
I want to talk
Hold
to
the
you.
envelope up.
I think this is why we appear in the
Yes.
and what I'm saying, we appear.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Video man, you are blessed. Those of you that came,
Yes,
you
sir.
are blessed.
Yes, sir.
Now, in spite of what has happened in regard to the flooding, now you were able to remember me
Yes, sir.
with this token.
Yes, sir.
I praise you.
People across the world donated. Many people thank them, sir. They are seeing you.
I thank those that have
Donated. They
contributed.
don't even know you, but
They don't know me. Thank you. Because when you thank a small thing, bigger thing.
Amen.
Thank you very much. But where's you? You get the way I'm living. I get the way. But I'm
We are now in Sapler Road and the crew is explaining to Loretta how lucky she is that there is no rain today. This whole operation would have been impossible if the weather changed. In Sapler Road, Loretta went to see a small tailor who was affected. He narrated his ordeal, saying some customers asked him to forget about their clothing while others wanted their money back. He was surprised by the gesture.
Since 2012.
And more recently, this is 2019.
From 2012 to
now it starts.
Now we begin to experience all this flooding thing. And we have been trying our best to make sure the flood stop from that side. But still yet, as we don't reach, the flood will come, we will put the fence come out. And once and before we know they get rest of mind, at least our mind is up each time. Like yesterday now, when it was still raining that yesterday again, you can see the erosion there.
Sure, get up here.
You can see that place there.
So I now make you pack everything for us.
Yeah, you can see, I'm making him pack everything. You can see what he's doing. Pass through the wall. You can see I pack my things up.
So what people not damaged?
You don't see damage some. I'll still who come say I'll give them money or who say leave and go leave on. But most people, if I tell them, they'll say, forget about it.
Because they can see the evidence.
Yes, can see what is happening here.
Okay. So what is happening is that some people for the world see how this water they affect different people. So we decided, say, this is what they happen for those states. We know, say, the root cause now government will fix them, but some people need some urgent things. So we appealed to people worldwide to try and donate, and people were donating.
Okay.
£1 here, 1 naira there, 10 kobo there, 1 pence, 1 yen, and then we've managed to gather a few things.
Okay.
And we are actually giving it from Edo Flood Relief, Edo Connect, donations from the Edo diaspora in the UK. Okay. So this is championed by Edo Connect in the UK. Okay. So here today you have a token. It's a token of 20,000.
Oh, thank you.
So tell the people of the world what you feel that this kind of thing has happened to you. Unexpected.
The thing, I cannot even explain it. I don't even know why I did not go to church today. Because of the flood. I was okay, I have some joy. I said, let me try to meet up. And I open. At times when I'm on Sunday, if I'm inside, you don't even know if I'm inside, I will lock the door. But today, I don't know what cover me. I said, let me open the shop like this. Let me be walking because this cloth, they need to carry this cloth now, today and tomorrow. But I'm really happy. I really appreciate it.
So talk to the people that donated. Talk to them worldwide.
I really appreciate it.
Canada, all people.
I don't know what to say. I'm short of words. Well, I really appreciate them. All of them that have donated to meet our need and rescue us from this erosion problem. May God Almighty bless them.
Amen.
And protect them. Amen. Increase their pocket.
Amen.
In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Amen.
The small tailor led Loretta around the area, showing her more damage caused by the flood. It has started raining.
People have evacuated their houses. Some persons are still trying to set up.
It's Omoregbe.
Omoregbe with Dume's roadside.
Road, yeah.
Just before Sapler Road Junction.
Yeah.
Abi? This is really terrible, really horrible.
Yeah.
My name is Loretta. And I know we've come unannounced, but I think it's better that way.
Yeah.
And we have seen what happened. Some people videoed it, and it's this age, it's gone viral. So some of us who saw it, I met you mattress, anything, what we can do. So some group came together in the UK, called the people of the world, Sendigori, and 10 kobo, £1, $2, yen, rand, here. So today we are just sharing it to affected people. Innocent. So innocent time, man, no sooner. You used to live there.
Yeah.
So that you used to live up there.
Yeah.
So the water pursued you, and you came here, and you
The water they push.
So you were saying that you wanted to go and rent a house.
Yeah.
So tell us. And you said anytime they want to fall.
Look now, when the rain want to fall now, I'm just panicking now as I'm here now, yeah. People are more, we need to
looking for how to rent a house. This place was even flooded yesterday.
Yeah.
So tell them what your plight is.
The plan is that I need money, as in, I need to move from here, as in, to rent a better place, yeah, urgently, just sharply. That is just the...
So today we will give you on behalf of Edo Connect and Edo Flood Relief 20,000 naira. You don't need to kneel down, please. Say thank you to the people.
Thank you for the package, for the support. So I thank everybody. God will bless you. Because it's a very surprising thing. So, I will see.
You say you are going to use the money to go and rent a house now.
Yeah.
Oyibo, talk. Ụmụnna m ekele m ọnụ. Thank you very much. Udo zuru unu niile o.
As far as you live in Edo State.
Yes, as far as Adam at Edo State, ekele m ọnụ. Ihe ọma ga-adịrị n'ọnụ. N'aha Jesus. Amen.
At this time, the crew was getting ready to leave due to signs of heavy downpour of rain. In the next house, Loretta was informed of a man who died in the area because of the flood. On reaching the house, we met a tenant who had abandoned the house and come back for some of his possessions.
Your wife here?
We need a woman. We need to see how they are coping in here.
Mama, is the landlord of the house.
Since
June, we have abandoned this place. I just came to see how the place still look like.
Okay, so you're taking your children and wife somewhere else. Because we come from the UK. Edo's in the UK and Edo's in other places. You're literally living in water. This is sad. And we saw this thing and we said we need to come and see it with our eyes. You know, it's not real. Careful. So we got some people, we appealed to the world. Boss, how you felt? Where is the envelope? It's 20,000 naira to each affected house. This is not your government. But there's nothing wrong with it. We can help ourselves, but obviously the government needs to do their work. They need to do their bit. But like your house now, tell us, how do you feel being in this place?
Well, the fact is that it's not a good experience at all.
It's terrible.
Because it has been over the years.
Terrible.
Initially, the water used to gather at the other end. But because of the negligence on the part of the government,
yes,